Hi, my name is Vivek and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is the third episode to create an e-commerce website using WooCommerce. In the previous episode, we installed the WooCommerce plugin, created some pages and work on main navigation. Today, we'll work on the header. First of all, let's remove this WordPress tagline. So go to your admin panel, setting, and click on general. Then remove this tagline and save. Also, if you want to remove this admin bar, then go to your admin panel, go to user and all user, then click on admin, and uncheck this toolbar, click on update profile, and then refresh the site. Now let's add container div inside header.php so that it comes at center with max width. It can be found under WP content, themes, eFashion, and header.php. Then just inside this header tag, I want to add container div, refresh the site. Now let's remove the word search from the search icon. So go back to your header.php again, and then if you scroll at the bottom, you will find that the search icon is coming from this button and the text is coming from this span. So just remove that span tag and refresh the site again. Now the final thing we have to do is to add this cart icon. So go back to your header.php, and just after this search div you can add cart icon. So I will create a new div with a class called cart. Then I will add anchor tag, and inside this anchor tag I will add the cart icon, and the cart icon is coming from Font Awesome. So let's search Font Awesome. And then you can search cart over here. We need this icon, so just click on that icon, copy the HTML code and paste it inside the anchor tag. Now refresh the site and you should see a cart icon over here. Now when you click on this cart icon, it should redirect to basket page where you should see a list of different products that you have added. So go back to header.php, and here inside PHP you can add echo wc underscore get underscore cart underscore URL. Now refresh the site and then click on the icon, and we are now in basket page. Great. Header is now looking exactly the same as in our design. This is the end of this session. In the next session, we'll create a custom template and set it as a home page. Feel free to comment below if you have any questions. Also, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel to get more tutorials in the future. Thank you.